Okay, we will start with our topic that will comes about your menu planning. ठीक है, we already discussed about menu planning, origin of menu. ठीक है, and we also discussed about the objectives of menu planning. ठीक है, next one it will comes about the factors to be considered while planning the menu. Clear? Menu. ठीक है, what we have to do in this, what we have to do, we have to include the factors which we have to consider, means which we have to keep in mind while we planning the menu. ठीक है, means the menu planning team should be aware about the constraints या फिर factors. ठीक है, what are the those factors? These are the factors. First one is operational hours या फिर operations hour. ठीक है, the menu planning team must be aware about the business hour. ठीक है, means the operating hours, that what time we are going to operating our restaurant. The restaurant will be operational for breakfast, or it could be operational for uh, dinner, or it could be it is operated for lunch time only. ठीक है, before planning the menu we have to consider the operational hour as it is written in the slide. The team must consider policy on operation hours of the business while planning menu. ठीक है, if it is operating throughout the day from morning to night, then all dishes required during breakfast, mid morning, lunch, evening snacks, dinners, and so on should be included. If it is going to be operational only during lunch and dinner, then the menu should be planned accordingly. During lunch hour operations, guests expect quick service or business executive lunch, which should be taken into the account. Means what we have to do, we have to first of all we have to define the operational hour, that what time we are going to operate our restaurant. It is operated for breakfast, or it is operated for dinner, or it is operated throughout the day. ठीक है, this is the first factor what we have to consider. ठीक है, then we have to include the dishes accordingly. If the menu is planned only, if the outlet is operated during the dinner only, then what we have to do, we have to exclude the dishes which will fall in the breakfast and lunch. ठीक है, we have to only include the dishes which will be which is comes in your dinner only. ठीक है, if the restaurant being operated throughout the day, then what we have to do, we have to include the dishes of the breakfast, we have to include the dishes of lunch, we have to include the dishes of your dinner as well as. ठीक है, this is the first factor what we have to consider. If someone have any problem in first factor, they may ask, please. जिसको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो अपना माइक अनम्यूट करे और दे में आस्क. ठीक है, देन सेकंड वन, व्हाट टू सर्व. ठीक है, द पॉलिसी ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट मे नॉट परमिट द इंक्लूजन ऑफ बीफ, पोक और any of non-vegetarian dishes, genetically modified food, and so on. Dishes included in the menu should be the framework of the establishment policy. Then what we have to do, we have to consider the management policy, that what is the policy of the management, what to serve. If this will depend on the particular culture या फिर region basically. ठीक है, if you are opening any restaurant in the India, then what you have to do, you have to exclude the dishes which will contain the beef. ठीक है, and if we are operating any outlet in Arabian countries या फिर in Muslim countries या फिर in those regions where there is the maximum population of Muslim, then what you have to do, you have to exclude the items या फिर dishes which will contain pork. ठीक है, if you are operating any outlet in the Jainis locality या फिर Jainis colony, then what you have to do, you have to exclude all the dishes which contain non-vegetarian ingredients, या फिर you have to exclude the uses or you have to avoid the uses of onion and garlic. ठीक है, this is what we have to do. We have to define what to serve, what we want to serve. ठीक है, this will depend on the management policy as well as, ठीक है, management will decide that what the menu will serve to the customers या फिर to the guest. ठीक है, this is the second factor. The next one, this is third factor, which is comes about your production process. The type of production process the business is going to implement, such as traditional party system, centralized production, cook chill, cook freeze, and so wide and so on, should be taken into the account while planning the menu. ठीक है, while we are going to planning the menu, then what we have to do, we have to aware about the production process of the dishes as well as, ठीक है, and then we are going to implement this. ठीक है, जैसे पहले क्या होता था इन ट्रेडिशनल पार्टी सिस्टम, व्हाट इज देयर, द फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड एट वन पर्टिकुलर प्लेस and then it will be distributed to the different restaurant या फिर different F&B outlets. That is basically considered as your centralized kitchen या फिर centralized production. ठीक है, then cook chill means we are going to chill the food after being cooked. Then cook freeze, when we cook the food, then it is instantly freezed, and so wide and so on should be taken into account while planning the menu. Means what kind of food या फिर what kind of processed food we are going to provide to our guest, it could be taken into the account while planning the menu. Then fourth one is use of convenience food. ठीक है, convenience product you will found in many categories. ठीक है, from ones requiring some amount of final preparation in the kitchen to ready to eat forms are available in the market. The team must consider policy on uses of convenient foods. ठीक है, means how much convenient food we are going to use in our menu. ठीक है, that should be considered. ठीक है, sometimes होता है क्या, sometimes you will found in kitchen, you will found the hotels are using the ready to eat food. ठीक है, या फिर they are ordering the ready to eat and they have to require the less manpower to handle the kitchen. ठीक है, that's why what we have to do, we have to first of all what we have to do in this, what we have to do, we have to determine that how much convenient product we want to use. ठीक है, समटाइम्स होता है क्या, जैसे सॉस होती है हमारी, ठीक है, सॉस में क्या होता है, इट विल रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड इट विल रिक्वायर द मैन पावर एज वेल एज टू प्रोड्यूस द सॉसेस. ठीक है, बट वी हैव टू डू द एनालिसिस फॉर दैट. ठीक है, if we are preparing the sauce in the hotel, then what will be the taste or what will be the cost we are bearing. ठीक है, if we purchase it direct from the market, then what will be the cost and what will be the taste. ठीक है, we have to compare them. ठीक है, which will suit us best, then we can do accordingly. ठीक है, this is about your use of convenient product. ठीक है, रेडी टू ईट फॉर्म में बहुत प्रोडक्ट आते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास क्या होता है, कोई भी हो गया यार, जैसे पैक्ड जो भी फूड मटेरियल्स आते हैं, दैट इज बेसिकली कंसिडर्ड एज योर कन्वीनियंट फूड. ठीक है, देन नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टाइल ऑफ सर्विस. ठीक है, while we are planning the menu, then style of service is also matters. ठीक है, we have to define that what kind of services we are going to implement in our restaurant. ठीक है, we already discussed about the types of service, whether we are going to provide the silver service, whether we are going to provide the Russian service, buffet service, tray service, take away, and so on. Then we will plan our menu accordingly, ठीक है, और वी आर प्लानिंग और वी आर ऑफरिंग द अमेरिकन सर्विस या फिर तुम्हारा ड्राइव इन ड्राइव थ्रू, ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट वन इज टाइप ऑफ मेन्यू, ठीक है। द टाइप ऑफ मेन्यू टू बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन operations should be borne in mind while planning the menu, ठीक है। That what kind of menu we are going to offer our restaurant, whether we are offering our menu a la carte, ठीक है, और whether we are going to offer the table d'hôte menu, ठीक है। We already discussed them, a la carte, ठीक है, which will offer the maximum choice or which will offer the wide range of choices in each category, ठीक है। Suppose if you are offering soup, then you will found there is the choice in soups, ठीक है। One you will found the tomato soup, one you will found the corn soup, manchow soup, then अनियन गार्लिक या फिर अनियन कॉर्न या फिर स्वीट कॉर्न सूप, ठीक है। देन इफ यू आर offering the table d'hôte menu, ठीक है। table d'hôte, what do you mean by table d'hôte? This is the fixed menu and have the limited choice, and you have to pay the set price for this menu, ठीक है। we will go through them in detail as well as, ठीक है, I will repeat them, ठीक है। the next one, it will comes about your types of menu, ठीक है। इसमें हम factors to be considered while planning menu, we can include one item more, that one factor more, that will be termed as your balance. Balance means what we have to do while we are planning the menu, we have to keep the balance of the dishes as well as, ठीक है। how we have to keep the balance, we have to keep the balance of the ingredients, ठीक है। the ingredients should not be repeated in all dishes, ठीक है। if you are offering the tomato dishes या फिर tomato शोरबा, then it will not include the tomato soup, tomato क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, एक मिनट, टोमेटो पनीर, या फिर मीन्स all items should not contain the same ingredients, it will give the bad impression to the guest, ठीक है। then next we have to avoid the repetitive of colors in dishes as well as, ठीक है। if you are offering any dishes in red color, then what we have to do, we have to avoid to use the red colors in maximum dishes, ठीक है। means there should not be the equivalency, ठीक है, या फिर there should not be the same thing what which will be which will give in each and every dishes, ठीक है। then what we have to do, we the menu should be right in the English language, because this is being the official language, ठीक है। and it should also be written in the French language as well as, ठीक है। while writing the menu, then what we have to do, we have to use the font which could be easily understand and which could be easily read, ठीक है। while planning the menu, what we have to do, we have to write the description of the dishes, we have to paste the photographs of the dishes so that guest could be analyze that how it will looks like, ठीक है। and we have to present it in same manner as well as, ठीक है। in this what we can do, we can include the one factor more, that will comes about your capability of kitchen staff, ठीक है। capability of kitchen staff, in this we have to include, in this what we have to do include, we have to include the capability of kitchen staff, means we have to include only those dishes in our menu which could be prepared by the kitchen staff only, ठीक है। suppose we are offering any Geradun service dishes, but we do not have any chef, या we do not have any F&B personnel who can handle the Geradun trolley, ठीक है। then what we have to do, this will show us the poor planning of our menu, ठीक है, और वी हैव टू avoid the uh, avoid to include the dishes which will not be cooked by the kitchen staff. ठीक है, suppose we are offering any bakery item in our menu but we do not have any bakery chef, then what we have to do, it will show the poor planning as well as. ठीक है, the next factor it will comes about the equipments available. ठीक है, before planning the menu. ठीक है, the person who is planning the menu should be aware the equipments availability. ठीक है, means what kind of equipments we have available. ठीक है, if we do not have any bakery oven या फिर oven in our kitchen and we are offering the pizza and we are offering the cakes, mousse and bakery items, then what will it will show, it will show the poor planning. ठीक है, these are the 8 to 9 factors which we have to consider while planning the menu. ठीक है, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है इसमें से, they may feel free to ask, otherwise we will go for the next slide. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
बाकी किसी का कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
बाकी
हाँ जी सर.
okay, the next one it will comes about the types of menu. ठीक है, types of menu. ठीक है, menu may be divided into two classes, traditionally called a la carte and table d'hôte. ठीक है, it has been discussed already but I want to revise it. ठीक है, the difference being that the former has a list of all dishes priced separately and the latter has a fixed price for the whole meal. ठीक है, as it is visible in the screen. ठीक है, in the picture you will I think you are able to see table d'hôte menu, a la carte and other types of menu. ठीक है, table d'hôte में क्या आता है हमारा, बैंक्वेट, बफे, कॉफी हाउस, साइक्लिक मेन्यू. देन a la carte में ब्रेकफास्ट मेन्यू, लंचन मेन्यू, देन डिनर मेन्यू, कैलिफोर्नियन, एथनिक मेन्यू, स्पेशलिटी मेन्यू, रूम सर्विस मेन्यू. ठीक है, इन अदर टाइप्स यू विल फाउंड द स्टैटिक मेन्यू, दो जूर मेन्यू या कार्ते दो जूर. ठीक है, वाइन मेन्यू एंड डेजर्ट मेन्यू. ठीक है, देन अला कार्ट. ठीक है, अला कार्ट मेन्यू in the right hand side of the slide you will get the sample of the a la carte menu. ठीक है, this is a la carte menu. What are the features of the a la carte menu? First of all, it will provide the choice of dishes in each course. ठीक है, if you will found the look in the menu. ठीक है, सेकंड देखो, इसमें सैंडविचेस हैं. ठीक है, नीचे लिखा हुआ है सैंडविचेस $6.75. चॉइस ऑफ हैम, स्विस, रोस्टेड टर्की, टेंडर रोस्ट, बीफ, चिकन सैलड, एग सैलड और टूना सैलड. मीन्स दीज आर द चॉइसेस इन ईच कोर्सेज यू विल फाउंड इन द a la carte menu. ठीक है, देन in a la carte menu you will found each items are priced separately. ठीक है, the next it will give the full list of all dishes that may be prepared by the establishment, that could be prepared by the kitchen staff. ठीक है, it will give you the full list or it will give you the elaborate dishes. ठीक है, the next one is dishes are prepared and cooked as per order. ठीक है, means what you have to do, if you choose the or if you select the items in a la carte, then what you have to do, you have to order the dishes, then the kitchen staff will be able to prepare. ठीक है, means what you have to do, it will require the time. ठीक है, the minimum time it will consist 20 to 30 minute. You have to wait for the dishes. ठीक है, because the food is cooked freshly. ठीक है, the next one is guests are billed as per the order placed. Means whatever you have you will only priced for those dishes only. ठीक है. The next, a certain waiting time has to be allowed for the preparation and serving of dishes. As I already told you, it will require the waiting time. ठीक है. It will remain 20 to 30th minute. ठीक है. Rest is depend on the type of dishes ordered by you. ठीक है. Is that clear to everyone? What do you mean by a la carte? हाँ जी. किसी को कोई डाउट, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो इसमें?
नो सर.
क्लियर है सबको?
यस सर.
बाकी
सर. यस सर.
ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज ताबले दी होत. ठीक है. ताबले दी होत, ऑन दी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू विल फाउंड ए सैंपल ऑफ ताबले दी होत मेन्यू. ठीक है. इसमें क्या है, यू विल, दिस इज द मेन्यू. ठीक है. विच इज टर्म्ड एज योर फिक्स्ड मेन्यू. ठीक है. और इन दिस यू विल फाउंड द फिक्स्ड number of courses. ठीक है. In this menu you do not have choice or you have the limited choice what to eat. ठीक है. The selling price या फिर the price of the menu is fixed या फिर set. ठीक है. The dishes are prepared before the order या फिर they are prepared in advance. ठीक है. That's why this is considered as your ताबले दी होत मेन्यू. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कभी भी आप मैरिज में जाते हो, वहाँ पे फूड प्रिपेयर हो रखा होता है, दैट इज बेसिकली कंसिडर्ड एज योर ताबले दी होत. ठीक है. घर में बनाते हैं हम, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज योर ताबले दी होत मेन्यू. हॉस्टल में मेन्यू बनता है, हॉस्टल में फूड बनता है, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज योर ताबले दी होत मेन्यू. ठीक है. दिस इज योर ताबले दी होत. इसमें किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो?
नो सर.
The next one is Carte du jour. Carte du jour. This is also considered as menu of the day. ठीक है. इसमें होता क्या है? It offers a different choice to the regular customer. ठीक है. Suppose you are the regular customer to any outlet. ठीक है. सपोज करो कि हाँ आप कैंटीन जाते हो. ठीक है. यू आर द रेगुलर कस्टमर ऑफ द कैंटीन, बट इन वन इन वीक ऑफ वन डे, ठीक है, दे आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द स्पेशल डिश. ठीक है. या फिर दे आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द मेन्यू. ठीक है. देन दिस इज कंसिडर्ड एज योर कार्ते दू जोर, मीन्स स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द डे या फिर मेन्यू ऑफ द डे. ठीक है. इन दिस इट विल इंक्लूड द स्पेशल डिशेस या फिर स्पेशल फूड. ठीक है. देन द प्राइस रेंज या फिर द प्राइस इज प्राइस्ड सेपरेटली. ठीक है. दीज आर बेसिकली फोकस्ड ऑन द seasonal availability. Means what they used to do, they used to prepare the dishes according to the seasonal availability. Suppose आप कैंटीन में जाते हो फूड खाने, जैसे सिंपल सी बात है यार, सिंपल सी, जो स्वीट शॉप होती हैं वो क्या करती हैं सीजनल बेसिस पे. विंटर्स में क्या करती हैं वो, एक तो हॉट गुलाब जामुन ऑफर करती हैं, प्लस हॉट गजरेला, हॉट मूंग दाल हलवा. ठीक है. या कैरेट हलवा भी बोल सकते हैं गजरेले को. ठीक है. तो वो ऑफर करती है, दैट इज बेसिकली कंसिडर्ड एज योर स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द डे. क्लियर है सबको?
हाँ जी सर.
यस सर.
नेक्स्ट वन इज प्ला दो जोर. ठीक है. दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज योर प्लेट ऑफ द डे. ठीक है. In this, what we have to do, we have to promote the one special dishes. ठीक है. We have to offer the one special dishes, but in case of Carte du jour we are going to offer या फिर we are going to promote the particular menu of the day. ठीक है, this is basically offered in the small establishment. ठीक है, और this is also termed as speciality of the chef as well as. ठीक है, this is your plat du jour. In this what we have to do, we have to only prepare the one item instead of preparing the full menu. ठीक है, that is basically considered as your speciality of the day. क्लियर है, पीछे वाला था मेन्यू ऑफ द डे. क्लियर है भाई सबको?
जी सर.
Yes, sir.
The next one, it is termed as your cyclic menu. ठीक है, this is the menu which is being offered in the hostel mess, in military messes, in educational institutes, in hospitals, in cafeterias as well as, or in employee cafeteria. ठीक है, this is the menu which is basically designed for the 1 week. ठीक है, the dishes which are prepared today, these dishes will be prepared after 1 week. ठीक है, मीन्स रोटेट होके वो सेम ही डिशेस पे आ जाना. जैसे ट्यूसडे को हमने मेन्यू फिक्स कर दिया, ट्यूसडे को दाल बनेगी. ठीक है, मंडे को दाल बनेगी, देन ट्यूसडे को चिकन बनेगा, वेडनेसडे को एग बनेंगे. ठीक है, थर्सडे को राइस बनेंगे, फ्राइडे को पूड़ियाँ बनेगी. ठीक है, सैटरडे को कोई भी मीठा बनेगा. ठीक है, मीन्स what is there, we have to fix the menu for 1 week and it will be repeated after one week. ठीक है, that's why this is being termed as your cyclic, means rotate होके वहीं पे आना होता है. ठीक है, while planning this cyclic menu, then what we have to do, we have to keep or we have to give the proper attention to the nutritional value. ठीक है, that the full nutrition should be provided to the employees या फिर the person who will eat. ठीक है, इसमें किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो? हाँ जी, क्लियर है बच्चे सबको?
हाँ जी सर.
नेक्स्ट वन, डिफरेंस बिटवीन ताबले दी होत एंड अला कार्ट. ठीक है, द मेन्यू इज इन अला कार्ट, द मेन्यू इज इलेबोरेटेड. इन ताबले दी होत द मेन्यू इज स्मॉल. ठीक है, देन अला कार्ट ईच डिशेज इज प्राइस्ड सेपरेटली. एंड नेक्स्ट, it is priced as a whole. ठीक है, next, the wide range of choices is available within each course. Next, a limited choice is available within each course. Next, it is prepared once the order is given. Next, it is prepared in advance. ठीक है, it is cooked small quantities. In ताबले दी होत it is cooked in large quantities. ठीक है, then next in अला कार्ट silver is laid as per order. In ताबले दी होत silver is laid in advance as the menu is known in prior. ठीक है, then ताबले दी होत अला कार्ट large amount of tableware is needed to carry out the service. Then next ताबले दी होत it will require the limited tableware to execute the services. In a la carte we have to require the trained manpower. ठीक है, to take order or to serve the food. In table di hot you have to require the less trained manpower to serve the food. In a la carte it requires printed menu cards to explain the guests about the menus, and it has more elaborate. In table di hot it can be orally informed as it is simple. ठीक है, इसमें किसी को कोई लाइन जो नहीं समझ आई है, they may feel free to ask. This is the difference between a la carte and table d'hôte. हाँ जी, क्लियर है सबको? हाँ भी, क्लियर है सबको?
Yes,